my name is Suresh and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some more new locations for street shopping in Chennai. Now Chennai generally isn't really known for their street shopping much, and I am about to change that and share with you guys some hidden gems and where you can shop. And before I get started with this video, I just want to let you guys know that I have done two videos earlier prior to this. One was in Pondi Bazaar and the other one is in Pantheon Road, Cotton Street. So if you guys want to check it out and if you haven't watched it already, then I will leave it down in the description box below. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys two new locations. One is Mint Street in Sowcarpet and the second one is actually a mall. It's in Spencer Plaza. So Mint Street in Sowcarpet is actually a very well-known area. If you guys are looking for some occasional wear, especially lehengas and churidars and saris, they have some amazing collection, always on point, always on trend. So I would highly recommend you guys to go and check that out. Also, if you guys want me to do a more in-depth video for like just, you know, occasional Indian wear, like a festive Indian wear in Sowcarpet, then do let me know in the comments down below. I would like to do it. This time I didn't actually cover those areas much, and that's because A, I wasn't really looking for anything like that, and B, I wanted to, you know, give you guys like a brief look on the overall location and just let you guys know what and all you can find there. The second place that I went after Sowcarpet is to Spencer Plaza. So Spencer Plaza is actually a mall, but the beauty of this mall is that inside the mall you will get a mix between you know, the franchisee stores like Westside, Lifestyle, etc., all that stuff. Plus you will also get individual private owners of stores that, you know, they sell like Kashmiri handicrafts or like Gujarati handicrafts and all those handicraft stores that are owned by individual owners, and they are open for negotiation, guys. None of the prices are fixed. Go in there and definitely negotiate for the best price as much as you possibly can. This was like a little bit of a brief insight of what and all you can find there. If you guys are interested, then you can go and check it out. And without any further ado, let's get started with this video. the end of this video. I know it was super short and I actually didn't end up buying a lot of products, and that's because a lot of the things that I saw this time around, I didn't want a lot of things, so that's why I didn't end up buying a lot. But I will definitely keep going there, you know, like once in 2 months and stuff, and keep checking out what and all they have. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. And when you are subscribing, just hit that bell notification so that you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. I make videos every Tuesday and Friday, and I will catch you guys next time. Have a great weekend.